So this is the miru, the one which has charcoal and resin on it now in the gallery, and both of these described our moieties, or our kind of sections of families, and they had the different animals associated with that. This stage here is I'm just trimming the wood. We're using chisels and things like that to work with these days, but the technique's very similar to what it used to have been. Same technique, and we would have been using like a stone chisel or a bone chisel there instead of that. The same sort of process is used. And this is at the stage of, this is pretty close to the final carving stage. Like the boomerang, it came off the side of a tree, so it's like a piece off the side of a tree, and the tree's still alive, obviously. Yeah, these ones you don't season. You've got to work them very quickly once you get them, because they can't be seasoned. They're mulga. They're very hard and strong, and they will crack if you don't work with them pretty quickly. So these two, from the time I collected the wood to the end product, it was fairly quick. Start process. They're spear throwers. They've got different uses. You can light a fire with the sharp edge on the hardwood by rubbing it really quickly across the softwood. They've got a stone knife on the end, and the next video shows you the stone knife being placed on the end with the glue, the resin, and they're used as a dish as well, so a carrying implement.